Hey quizzers! Welcome back to the Quiz Elephant. Today we've got a super fun challenge. Can you guess the word just by looking at these emojis? Some are easy, but others will trick your brain. You've only got 8 seconds per round, so think fast. Smash that subscribe button and let's start it. Can you guess the word from this emoji? Nailed it! It's cupcake. Sweet and yummy. Find the odd cupcake emoji out. Great job! It's right here. What do these emojis mean? That's right! It's Burger King. This one is sweet. What's the word? Boom! It's Candyman. You need this every morning. What is it? Yes, it's a toothbrush. What do these emojis spell? You got it! It's ice cream! Try to spot the odd one out. Spot it! It's here! Let's see if you can crack this. Yes, it's money bag. Time to cash in. Can you figure out this one? You got it! It's seahorse. Can you figure out the odd seahorse emoji out? Excellent! You found it! This one's glowing. What's the word? That's right! It's moonlight, a nighttime beauty. Look closely. What's the answer? Boom! It's a missed call. Hope it wasn't important. Here's a tricky one. Can you solve it? Correct! It's hot chocolate, so cozy and delicious. This one's a brand. What's your guess? Yes, it's Taco Bell. Time for a snack break. What's the famous gadget here? Ding ding, it's iPhone. Apple fans, where you at? Try to figure out the odd iPhone emoji out. Perfect, it's here. What's this classic Western word? Yeehaw, it's cowboy. Here's an ocean-themed one. Guess it. Correct. It's starfish. How about this one? Can you figure out? Amazing! It's here. Here's a tricky one. Can you solve it? You got it! It's popcorn! Try to guess this one. Spot on! It's blueberry! So juicy and sweet! What do these emojis make? Boom! It's the Lion King. What do these emojis mean? Correct. It's goldfish. Guess the word from this emojis. Yes, it's rainbow. So bright and magical. This one's tasty. Guess the word. Right on! It's hot dog. Who wants one? Can you find the odd hot dog out? It's here in the fourth row. Ding dong. Can you guess this word? You got it. It's doorbell. Let's see if you can crack this. Yes, it's lighthouse, shining bright in the dark. Find the odd lighthouse emoji out. Great job! It's right here. Can you guess the word from this emoji? Boom! It's Cream Bell. Ice cream lovers unite. Great job, quizzers! How many did you guess right? Let me know in the comments. Had fun? Smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a quiz. See you next time on the Quiz Elephant.